There is a scripture I received back in 2021 that I didn't realize would carry me into my becoming her journey right here, right now. It said at the proper time, God will bring it to pass. Galatians 6:9. Breathe. Welcome back, my rhythm makers. It's episode 7 of season 1 of my first series ever on YouTube called Becoming Her. It's my up close meetup for a glimpse into my journey. Yes! That'll be another series, how I got here. But anyway, back then, nothing in my life felt proper. Nothing felt aligned. Nothing felt like it was coming together. I had come through a painful separation. I had walked through the fire of divorce. And if you know, you know. And I was trying to find my new space, in the world. My body was battling illness. My heart was bruised. And yet, the camera stayed on. I hadn't developed mindset. I hadn't even talked mindset. I was just existing. I kept smiling for my kids. I kept working. I kept showing up. Even when it felt like I was unraveling inside. I was a late bloomer. Single mom. Rebuilding everything from scratch. Wondering, Lord, when is this going to change? When is my due time? But that devotional reminded me God is arranging pieces long before we ever feel the shift. He moves in the background, even when our circumstances look unchanged. Delay is not denial. Waiting is not wasted. It's preparation. That scripture taught me not to force doors open out of fear, not to overwork myself trying to build what only God can bring together. Because that's what I was on the path to doing myself. Working the hard way. And not to mistake his silence for absence. Don't do that. He was working. He was healing. He was strengthening parts of me I didn't know I would need. And in that season, I learned a new kind of gratitude. The kind that shows up before the blessing. Hey, that's your praise break right there. The kind that whispers, thank you. While you're standing in ruins. The kind that trusts God even when life looks nothing like the promise. His ways are not our ways, and becoming her, the woman I am now, required surrender. Hold on to that word. We're coming back to it. It required patience. It required faith in the middle. Because becoming her was never about what happened to me. It was about what God was building in me while I waited. And then in his timing, not mine, just like that, devotional said to me, things began to come together. Strength came back. Clarity came back. Courage came back. And so did my voice. Becoming her means trusting that your due season is already on God's calendar, because it is. I got you, girl. I got you. It's on the calendar. Even when you feel stuck in the last year's storm, whatever you went through, your proper time is coming. I thank you for being here and hearing my story. And I hope you come back next Sunday for episode 8. The final episode in in the first series of Becoming Her. I'm glad you're here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I hope to see you on the inside. Peace.